Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. If you are trying to create a Microsoft Teams meeting link but you cannot find the option or you are not sure where the link is, this video will show you the fastest way how to create and share a Teams meeting link step by step. Alright, let's go right away on Microsoft Teams and let's open it. Once you have opened your Microsoft Teams, you just have to go over calendar where you have to schedule a meeting. So I'm just gonna randomly click in one of the days at one of the slots over here, and then it will pop up the possibility to set a meeting, or you can just go over new meeting, and over there you will have the possibility again to set up a meeting with all the settings regarding the time, the date and whatsoever. So the first thing that we have to do is to define a title for this meeting. You don't have to define the persons that you will invite on this meeting, so I'm not gonna add anyone here, so I'm just gonna leave it empty. You define the location, if it's a online or if it's a specific office, you just define the location over here. You can put here an agenda of this meeting, and then once you are done with all these settings, you can play around more with the paragraphs or with underlining all these format options that is provided from Microsoft Teams, but I don't care at this moment. So once you did these basic settings, define the time, define the date, and then over here you can also choose who can bypass the lobby. You can choose this option. People who were invited, they can just go directly on the meeting, or everyone or only me can bypass the lobby, and then I have to approve the others. I'm gonna choose people who were invited, who can present, everyone or only me. You can choose the setting, and once you are done with all this setting, you just have to click over the option save, and then it will pop up this invitation preview, which is telling you LearnTech invited you to a Microsoft Teams meeting, and these are the details about the meeting, and this is the meeting link. You can just copy all these details by clicking over copy, and then you paste this wherever you want, in a Word, in another email, or wherever you like, and then basically you have just created a meeting link on Microsoft Teams. And here it is. Now the meeting is showing over here. If you want to do more edits about this meeting, you just double click on the meeting, and then it will pop up again all this information that you have just configured on Microsoft Teams meeting. And here again you can see also the link of your Microsoft Teams meeting that you have just created. Alright, so basically that's all that I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope you liked this video, and please consider subscribing to our channel. All the best. Thank you.